Release the hounds.
Hey, hi. Can I arrest any of you people?
Excuse me, Edna. I don't think we're talking about love here. We're talking about sex in front of the children.
Sex cauldron? I thought they closed that place down.
Homer, you will find her a man.
All right.
And not just any man.
Okay.
He should be honest and caring and well off and handsome.
Hey, why should she have a better husband than you do?
Excuse me. Isn't there anything here that doesn't have meat in it?
Possibly the meatloaf.
He's bad, but he'll die. So I like it.
Yes, here's your lottery ticket. Thank you for knocking over my inventory. Please, come again.
Miss Hooper, I glued my head to my shoulder.
Thanks, everyone. I'm all better now. No more storing up the anger till I explode. If any of you does something I don't like, you are going to hear about it. And if you really tick me off, I'm going to run you down with my car.
Cleaning graffiti off a statue makes a mockery of everything I stand for.
I'm old. Gimme.
Those Cap City kids don't think I'm cool anymore. We were having a sleepover and a robber came and wet my bed. Then he folded the bed back into the couch and disappeared into the night.